Hi, welcome guys. My name is Priyanshu Jain and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing question number 4 and this is from the MPN 002. And before starting the answer, I want to share something. We are providing all the solutions of this PDF and other also. If you need answer of this PDF, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which we provide on your WhatsApp within a day and with very minimum charges. And if you need answers, so please contact us on our WhatsApp number which is showing on our screen, 9009368238. You can message and call us. And now the question number 4 is considering a simple physical model of a dielectric as an aggregate of a large number of simple harmonic oscillators, obtain an expression for the dielectric constant. So this is the question of the 5 numbers. If you need answer of this question, so you can contact us. We provide all the solutions. Not only this, we provide all the solutions in a day with very minimum charges. Thank you so much for watching. And if you need any suggestions to us, so you can contact us and you can tell us what are the suggestion do you have. Thank you.